everyone, good morning. It is Saturday, April 10th. So what's going on today is we are going over to the Peninsula side to run some errands. First off, we're gonna get brunch at one of our favorite restaurants, Jack's. And then we are going to go for a hike slash more of like a nice stroll along the Crystal Springs Reservoir. We're gonna do the Sawyer Camp Trail. I say it's more of a walk than a hike because the trail, the entire way is paved. It's not as strenuous as the hike that we did last time. And then my sister's gonna get a haircut, so then I'm gonna go shopping. Probably gonna go to Victoria's Secret as well as Target, so excited about that. And then yeah, we'll just see what else we get into today. So a little background on us. So I currently live in the East Bay, like I said, in Oakland. You know, I'm a Bay Area native, so I was born in San Francisco, but then I moved to the Peninsula in San Bruno with my family when I was about 3 years old. And I've lived all over the Bay Area since. So grew up in the Peninsula in San Bruno, and then I moved a little further south. So I lived in San Mateo for a little bit, also lived in San Jose, and then I moved up to Hayward, and then now I'm in the East Bay, Oakland. So I've literally lived in like all the different areas of the Bay, which I'm actually like really proud of. And I love living in the Bay Area. So yeah, just a quick little background on that. But yeah, we'll check you out later. Hey guys, so we just got finished with brunch, so we're gonna head over to Sawyer Camp Trail now. So we're in San Mateo, so it shouldn't take us too long to get there. I mentioned a little bit about it, but just to recap again, so it is, the Sawyer Camp Trail is like the stretch of mile in the center of along the Crystal Springs Reservoir, which is the main water reserve for the peninsula. So it's really pretty. Again, the whole road is paved, so there's pedestrians as well as bikers. So we'll see how busy it is today, but hopefully it's not too busy, so you know, social distancing and all that, and just, you know, it's not so busy so that I can get some good photos and good shots for you guys. One thing that I wanted to mention though, that like during brunch, so right now or on days that I vlog, I carry my phone around on this little selfie stick, and as we walked in, the guy like commented that my phone was in my selfie stick. Not that I was using it at the time, but he just like went out of his way to tell me a little spiel about how the selfie stick is like the worst invention ever, which I thought was really weird to be just like an uninvited topic. So I don't know, I just wanted to bring it up because I was like, I don't think he was trying to be malicious about it, but it was like just unintended, unwanted information that he provided me and my sister, which was actually like kind of a little shocking. It took me aback. I was like, why is he telling me that selfie sticks are like the worst invention ever? But I digress. Maybe that's his way of making small talk. I just wanted to say that really quickly, just in case, like, you know, small talk is sometimes not necessary. He could have just showed us our table and didn't have to make that comment. I just wanted to quickly say that out. Like, in any moments where you can just not say anything at all, to just be kind to someone, there's no reason to like make up or just talk about something that could be potentially mean toward them, even though you don't mean it in a malicious way. It's just a random topic to bring up. So I don't know, it was a little weird for me, and I just thought I'd share that. All right, see you guys in a little bit. so we just finished our hike. We did about 3 miles. I don't know, it's like, I want to say 500 feet or so to the beginning of the trail from where we parked. And then we went to the 1.5 mile marker, then turned around and came back. My sister's hairdresser, she can actually take her earlier for her haircut. So we're gonna go head over to Millbrae now for that. And then instead of going shopping while she was getting her haircut, since everything got bumped up, I'm just gonna like wander around for the 45 minutes to an hour that she's getting a haircut, and then we'll still do some shopping afterward. So yeah, check in with you guys later. Hey guys, so now I'm in Millbrae. My sister is down the street getting her haircut, so I have about 45 minutes to an hour to kind of just hang out and chill. So what I'm actually doing is I'm walking over to my old high school. So I went to Capuchino High School in San Bruno, and I graduated in 2005, so it's been a long ass time since I've been here. But yeah, I kind of just wanted to like walk around the fence and like see what's up. So let's go do that. Hey guys, so now I'm actually sitting in the bleachers of the football field. So here is the view from where I'm sitting at, and let me just tell you that this is making me feel so freaking nostalgic. So let me get into it. In high school, I was actually a cheerleader for 4 years. So freshman through my senior year, I was a cheerleader. So I spent so many Friday nights here cheering on our football teams, and I just have like so many memories like in this school. So it's kind of like crazy and surreal to be back here again. Of course, there has been a lot of updates made to the school, and it's just been like so long since I've been here. So yeah, I'm gonna sit here for a little bit longer and kind of just like reflect and enjoy this sort of nostalgic moment for a bit, and then I'll keep wandering around and see what else I can see with you guys. Hey guys, so I'm as close as I can get to being like near the inside of the school, but yeah, as you can see, everything is like caged up and I am locked out, so I can't go any further. But it's kind of been really cool to kind of just like wander around and like see what's up. There's actually a lot of people out here. There's people playing basketball. As you saw on the football field, there's people playing soccer, and then people running laps, and then I think there's people out in the baseball courts. So it's like baseball courts, I'm at baseball field. But yeah, I think it's just a beautiful day today, so just a great time to be outdoors. Even though, you know, there's not much here for me to share with you guys, like it's just kind of cool to be here. And also I keep having like flashbacks, because now that I think of it, when I was around my early 20s, I did come back here and I helped a friend of mine shoot a music video, and I acted in the music video, and it was actually like really fun, and it was like shot here on campus. So if I ever find the link, I can probably ask my friend and see where it is. Maybe I can find that for you guys and like provide you guys the link so you can see the music video that was filmed here on campus. But yeah, it was super fun, and yeah, it's really cool being here. So I'm probably just gonna head back to the car now and wait for my sister to be done with her haircut. But yeah, hopefully you guys like enjoyed this little like peek into my old high school. So it sucks that this is such a busy intersection, but I actually wanted to talk about this marquee right here really quick. So before this marquee was installed, when I was in high school, I was actually part of the leadership team. And before, now everything's digital, I was the person who did the morning announcements. We called it publicity in leadership class. And I would have to go to the office and collect all of the letters that we would need to put up onto the marquee. So it was an entire job that I did during fourth period. And then, you know, of course, every day doing morning announcements and, you know, just keeping up to date with stuff going on with the school to be able to report that out. I was also sophomore class president, which I was super proud of. I was also really close to becoming my senior class president, but you know, in the really close race, I ended up losing out. Despite not winning, I've always been an active part of student government, and I'm just part of the leadership program the entire time that I was in Capuchino. And you know, I think I learned a lot of great leadership skills from doing that, and I really appreciate doing that. So here's a look at the school from the front through this fence. Hopefully this is not that bad of an angle, but just in case you guys were curious. Hey guys, so we're in the mall now. So we're gonna go to Victoria's Secret, which is actually the Victoria's Secret I worked at for the 4 years that I was in college. So it's gonna be weird going back there, and then we're gonna go to Target. So here we go. Hey guys, so change of plans. So the Victoria's Secret that I used to work at while I was in college for 4 years is actually not even there anymore. It closed. So obviously the effects of COVID were vast, or more vast than I realized. So we didn't go to Victoria's Secret. We did go to Target though, but there was a lot of people around and I just didn't feel comfortable vlogging in front of people. So I'll share with you guys what I bought at Target when we get back home. But either way, we're heading back to Oakland now. Like, it's just been a long day. We've done so much stuff, so we might get smoothies or something, but other than that, we'll just see you back at home. Hey guys, so back at home now. Apologies if you hear Pogi eating in the background. He is having dinner right now. But anyways, I'm just gonna wrap up today's vlog and show you guys what I picked up at Target. Okay, so I just dumped everything out here. So first off, I have some mouthwash here. I have the Act Restoring mouthwash. So last time I went to the dentist, they took x-rays and I have a cavity forming. So they recommended me to use this restoring mouthwash since it helps re-strengthen enamel and remineralize any soft spots. So I've been using this one and I like it a lot. Next, I have the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Moist Deep Conditioner. So this is my favorite deep conditioner. I just keep it in my shower for 3 minutes whenever I deep condition my hair or need to deep condition my hair anyways. And it smells really great. Next, I watched a TikTok video recently. Here's the pug. I watched a TikTok video recently about putting vinegar and dish soap in one of these and then just leaving it in your shower so that every time you take a shower, you can kind of go ahead and just clean your shower while you're in there, which I thought was an amazing idea. So I wanted to pick one of these up. Next, from OGX, this is my most used conditioner. So this is the Quenching Coconut Curls. I also use the Quenching Coconut Curls shampoo. So I use these together. Obviously I have curly hair and I love it. Pug, don't chew on that. And then let me just remove my receipt. And the last thing I have here is a 3-pack of notebooks. So this is by the brand Sonics. And I actually love these notebooks. I think they're so cute. Like, look at this one. Like, it's just Chinese takeout and it has little sriracha or like hot sauce bottles. Super cute. And then the one here in the back is sushi. And then I think the middle one is like little cats or something. But either way, super cute. I love Sonics. I have a lot of their phone cases as well. So I'm going to head out now for the day since the pug wants some attention since I've been gone all day. Okay, but yeah, that's it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog and you've just been enjoying all my videos. It's been so much fun getting back into filming and it's just been so great. So I'll head out now. Have a great one, guys. Bye.